एक तरफ चाइना का नया रायता तो दूसरी तरफ इलॉन मस्क का नया ट्वीट ऑन शिबा इनू. Hey guys, this is Dave, welcoming you all to my channel BitBold. Today I'm going to take you through all those decisions took by Chinese government and the consequences of those decisions on market. Other side, Shiba Inu's price predictions, and trust me, which is looking very promising in coming days, and the effect of Elon Musk's tweet on Shiba Inu and how promising its future, and whether to hold Shiba Inu or leave Shiba Inu. You'll get a clear idea, clear indications by end of this video, and also market update, market insights. So stick to it. I hope I'll give you a very good update by end of this video, and if you feel all this information is going to help you towards end of the day, please subscribe, like and share our channel. Now allow me to start. Let me start with today's biggest news, the biggest influencer market. People's Bank of China said in a statement on Monday that Ant Group's Alipay, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, Agriculture Bank of China, China Construction Bank and Postal Savings Bank of China are going to ban all the payment service of their clients involving in cryptocurrency transactions. They were also told to cease offering other services such as account opening, registration and trading for any cryptocurrency related activities. So far Chinese government अपने देश के सारे गवर्नमेंट बैंक, गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड छोटे बड़े माइनिंग कंपनी सब कुछ बंद कर चुका था, लेकिन अभी तक के चाइना के जो स्टेप्स था, दो स्टेप्स were against mining of cryptocurrencies. Chinese bank can't acquire Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies. लेकिन कल का जो चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट का जो स्टेप था, जो कि चाइनीज सिटीजन, चाइना में रहता हुआ कोई भी बिटकॉइन या फिर क्रिप्टो करेंसी के अगेंस्ट ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते. नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन चाइना वाज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर 70% ऑफ क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट, बट कल के बाद जो चाइनीज पॉपुलेशन था वो भी धीरे धीरे क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट से कट डाउन हो चुका है. यू कैन इमेजिन द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दिस डिसीजन ऑन आवर क्रिप्टो करेंसी मार्केट. एडिशनली Alipay, which known to be China's one of the biggest transaction platform, said in a separate statement that it would set up artificial monitoring system to identify cryptocurrency related transactions, and any merchants who engage in such activities will be banned from this platform. After all this news came to market, the value of major cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum and Dogecoin went down drastically. After all of these, officials have also requested local electricity companies to cut the power supply to crypto mining projects. And last month, they have also banned all the cryptocurrency related accounts from their social media, and also banned the search of some popular crypto exchanges such as Binance and OKX. All this news witnessed China's ruthlessness on cryptocurrency market. But the actual truth behind all of this, China was never fond of cryptocurrencies. Since 2016, they have been banning Bitcoins. In 2017, they have banned Ethereum. Now, gradually, they have banned every token and coins related to cryptocurrencies. But the main thing is, it's not gonna stop cryptocurrency market. Sooner or later, again, it's gonna bounce back harder than before. तो अगर आने वाले टाइम पे बिटकॉइन का प्राइस फिर से नीचे आए, I'm gonna buy again. क्योंकि लास्ट 3 से 4 साल से मैं देख रहा हूँ बिटकॉइन का मार्केट कैसे अप डाउन हो रहा है. जब बिटकॉइन का मार्केट डाउन जाता है, इट्स नॉट अ इजी थिंग टू मैनिपुलेट, बट जब ये ऊपर आता है, एवरी टाइम इट बम्स बैक बेटर देन बिफोर. सो नेक्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो जब ये मार्केट फिर से ऊपर आना स्टार्ट होगा, तब ये रुकेगा नहीं, ये बहुत ऊपर तक जाएगा. बिकॉज ऑल द इन्वेस्टर्स, ऑल द एनालिस्ट who still believes that Bitcoin is going to be $100,000 by end of this year in a worst case scenario. So you can imagine the bright side of the market. Now let's take a look at Shiba's current price and the predicted price in coming days. Shiba is currently trading close to the resistance zone of $0.00000828. Experts believe if it breaks its resistance value, so it will definitely go up by $0.00000900 or $0.00000992 or $0.000012 $57 and also it could go till $0.00001686. So you can imagine if there is a less zero in Shiba's price and you are holding more than 50 lakhs or 60 lakhs or close to 1 crore coin of Shiba, you will definitely be wealthier by end of this year. Now I'm gonna give you few reasons how Shiba is gonna break its all-time record price in coming days. Shiba जो वर्क स्टाइल है जो कि एकदम अलग है। 2020 अगस्त में शिबा मार्केट के आने के बाद हर दिन शिबा ने कुछ ना कुछ हेडलाइन जरूर बनाया है। Sometimes Shiba as a dog killer, sometimes Shiba as a dog replacer, sometimes Shiba is outperforming dog coins. किसी न किसी बहाने शिबा अपना हेडलाइन खुद बनाया है। So far the best thing which has when last month Vitalik Buterin, the world's youngest cryptocurrency billionaire and founder of Ethereum, donated 50 trillion Shiba token worth around $1.2 billion to India's COVID relief fund. Apart from all of this, our tech giant, tech billionaire Elon Musk tweet on Shiba coin, which helped Shiba's price to jump 16% in just few seconds. He tweeted that my Shiba Inu will be named Floki. Right after his tweet, his 57.5 million followers on Twitter, they have invested on this coin and helped this coin to jump 16%. So history repeats itself. अगर ऐसे ही ट्वीट्स पे ट्वीट्स आते गया तो शिबा का प्राइस कभी भी आसमान छू सकता है। तो guys, because I'm holding my Shiba Inu token, if you feel like this will be a good decision or a clever decision to hold your Shiba Inu token, go ahead, hold it as long as you can and as long as you feel like the actual price you are looking forward. From market side, it's all green, it's all positive. I'm damn sure it's gonna put a big smile in your face. BTC has finally broke his resistance level, which was on $35,000. Today it's above $36,000, including Ethereum $2,221. Talking about altcoins like Doge, Shiba, Dot, ADM, Matic, they all are up by many numbers. They all have broke their resistance level and we can just hope now the way market is growing, if it stays for next 2 more days, I'm damn sure everyone is gonna make huge hell lot of money. All you guys out there who are listening to me right now, if you believe in this market, if you believe in my voice, I don't know what's stopping you to get yourself indulged in this market. But if you are still hoping or if you are still thinking of getting into this market, I'm gonna give you just one advice. It's more fun when you are inside rather than outside. I hope you can feel me, guys. That's it from my side. See you soon. Take care and keep breathing.